Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Hope you are okay on that side of the screen. And today I've got here a interesting gadget. This is the ICHOXER Fidget Spinner Decision Maker Helper. Now, I would start by saying that this is a decision maker and I will show you how it works, but I would suggest to take it lightly, and I would not personally put huge decisions here, but I would put light decisions and decisions that probably are made in a group of friends that will help us to have a lot of fun. Now, I just recorded the Portuguese video, and one of the things that I stated I will here as well. Sometimes I go out with my friends for a drink, and this might be a great tool to have a lot of fun, and having in mind that probably all of us will get hammered by the end of the night. Now, I would put a rule which would be none of us will drive. That is not subject to a decision maker by the device. No one will drive. We will get a taxi, an Uber or something like that. But what we will drink will be based on the decisions that this device will help to. And I was talking about drinking, but it can be about food and so on and so forth. In terms of build quality, this is not looked as a toy. It's really well built, all metallic, all really well made. It has this plastic right over here, transparent, where we will put the discs with the sign. It comes with everything that you see right over here. In terms of choices, we have a lot pre-made. For example, these three right over here. We will find options to study, to play games, to eat barbecues and salads and things like that, popcorns. We will have also one that I did really enjoy, the one that is for walking the dog or hugging the dog or something like that. It's really, really cool. So there are a lot of choices. Actually, we are talking about 4, 8, 16 choices, which 4 of them are blank, so that we can draw our own things and have our own personal lights. And of course, this is not difficult to replicate. We just need to see the measure, and we can do on our printer, and then with a little bit of glue we can create more. Actually, I did something which was to put in the discs on one side and on the other side as well. I did not see that on the instructions, but I do believe that it's a smart way of using the disc. The way that it works is they mentioned 3 ways of spinning this, one of which is grabbing like this and then spinning, and it will spin the both wheels, and as you can see, it will take a lot of time. And if we grab one, it will just start with some friction, and then this sign right over here will stop on one of the options. And in that particular case, I think, and I'm seeing reversed, I think that I would need to do some push-ups. No, it's an abdominal exercise. Of course, I have to be with this spirit of, okay, so I'm going to do some exercises, which one I'm going to do first, and I just rotate it and bam. So this is one of the ways of rotating. The other one is we can grab below and scroll the top part, and there is another one that I don't remember, but I will leave a link down below for the Kickstarter project, which is this device right over here, the ICHOXER, and you can see everything in detail. There are a lot of examples, a lot of fun. I really believe that this will be great for a gift, or great to have on our pocket if we want to have fun with our friends in this kind of scenarios, either on a dinner, on a night out for drinks, or something on our daily basis. I would suggest something a bit more naughty than the gymnastic positions, but that would be probably too much. But I do believe that it's fun, and if it's taken with this lightweight and this openness, then this is a great way to have fun. And in my opinion, this is the most value of it. Of course, the build quality is great. You can just hold this, and if it drops, it doesn't break. It's not possible because it's all made of aluminium kit that will help us to have a little bit more fun in our day, either alone with our dog or with our friends. That being said, hope that you guys enjoyed the video. And if you did so, don't forget the usual thumbs up right over there, which is really appreciated on this side of the screen. My name is Roberto, and as always, I'll see you guys on the next one.